Hey boys, and welcome to my video. Continuing on from yesterday's one, we looked at the balance method. Today we're looking at the balance method when we have subtraction in the problem. So same deal as yesterday, we're wanting to end up with an A, or the letter, equals a number. Okay, and to do that, we need to get rid of whatever is happening to the A. So what we do is we think about what is the opposite of plus 2, because that will get rid of the so what is the opposite of minus 2, because that will get rid of it. And the opposite of minus 2 is plus 2. So we rewrite our equation, a minus 2 plus 2. Okay, and what happens is they cancel. So we're left with just a. Okay, but what we do to one side of the equation, we also have to do the other in order to keep it balanced. So we plus 2. Okay, so we're left with a equals 6 plus 2, and 6 plus 2 equals 8. So we're left with a equals 8. Okay, so that is pretty straightforward. So let's jump over the next problem. Okay, we want to get rid of this. Okay, and we want to keep this, this, and this. Okay, so let's have a go at it. So h minus 32. What is the opposite of minus 32? It's plus 32. Equals, so important to remember, these two cancel each other out. So left with just h. Okay, 106 plus 32, because what you do to one side, you have to do to the other side. Okay, so left with h equals 106 plus 32, and 106 plus 32 is 138. So there is the answer for the second one. Now, we look at the next questions. They are a little bit more tricky because our x is in a different space. Now, when that is addition, it doesn't matter because we can just rewrite it however we want. But when it is subtraction, it's important we don't change things in the wrong way, because then it changes the whole meaning of the problem. So in this one, we can look at it pretty straightforward because they're low numbers. We can go, well, 14 take away 12 is going to give us 2. So that means that x equals 12. Okay, here, 13 take away 11 is going to give us 2. So x equals 11. We can use our really simple knowledge of maths to figure that out. However, sometimes you're going to get some really big numbers, and that's not going to work. So I'm about to show you the advanced way for solving these equations. If you are confident with just doing it like this for now, and you want to wait till we get back to class, okay, then don't. But if you want to give it a harder go, or try the harder way, then hang around. So what we do is we want to get these equations into a better way. So the way I do it is I go 14 take away x plus x equals 2 plus x. Okay, and what I'm doing is I'm just moving x the other side and putting it in a more favorable place. Okay, so these two x's cancel each other out, and we are left with 14 equals 2 plus x, which we can write as 14 equals x plus 2. And then we do what we're doing before, x plus 2 minus 2 equals 14 minus 2. So we got the x plus 2. Okay, and we wanted to get rid of the plus 2, so we minus 2, and we do the same to the other side. So this equals 12, okay, and those two cancel each other out, and we're left with equals x, which we can then write as x equals 12. Okay, and I'll quickly do this side because I'm running out of time in the old vid. Okay, so 13 minus x equals 2, so we go 13 minus x plus x equals 2 plus x. Okay, cancel, cancel. 13 equals 2 plus x. 13 equals x plus 2, which we can rewrite. 13 minus 2 equals x plus 2 minus 2. Cancel, cancel. And 11 equals x, or x equals 11. Okay. If that's too confusing, don't worry. We'll talk about it in class. Okay. Thanks for watching. As always, ask for help on Teams. Catch you around.